Smith Douglas Homes has a variety of floor plans in their communities, and today we are here to check out one of their most popular, the Harrington plan. Now I am here with Stacy. So Stacy, what can you tell us about this floor plan?
Sure. So the Harrington is just over 2,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath at its standard, but it does have the option to add in a 5th bedroom and a 3rd bath on the main floor.
All right, well, I am ready to check it out for myself. Let's go.
Check it out.
Well, Stacy, I love that when you walk in the door, you're greeted by this gorgeous dining room.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? So this is where we like to offer you some options. You see it here modeled as a dining room. This is also a space that you can turn into the 5th bedroom, as well as a study with French doors added to the front.
Well, it is so nice to have options, and let's continue on this first floor and see why people love it so much.
Yeah.
Well, the Harrington truly is an open concept floor plan. This is fantastic.
Yeah, this is where the floor plan really shines. You have all of these beautiful windows in here, and if you're in the kitchen, you have the ability to overlook your beautiful family room as well as your breakfast nook to the side. It's really a great place for making memories. You'll notice in this kitchen that we've selected the warm stained wood cabinetry. You'll also find a large pantry, abundant countertop space for preparation and entertaining. Coming in from the 2-car garage, homeowners will have the option for a boot bench, which allows them to drop off keys, backpacks, pet leashes, any of that clutter that you just want to hide away. Outside, we offer many options to suit your needs, including an extended covered patio shown here.
Well, there is so much to love about the first floor of this home, but I think it's time to head upstairs.
Yeah, let's go look. Okay.
Wow! Oh my gosh! I was not expecting the owner suite to be this big. It is huge.
Yes, it truly is a massive owner suite. As you might expect, there is a bathroom attached that opens up into a generous walk-in closet as well. The laundry room is also located up here for ease, with the optional door from the owner suite shown here. This home features 3 additional bedrooms upstairs and a central bathroom.
Well, Stacy, where does the Harrington floor plan start? And if people want to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
Yeah, so the Harrington floor plan can be seen in Adairsville, Georgia. Most of our locations are offering it starting in the mid-200s. You can check out smithdouglas.com, look at our interactive tools, and get the pricing for your location.
Well, Stacy, thanks so much for being here with me today. And thank you for joining us on this tour of the Harrington model by Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.